So, you sent some recycling to us. Here we go. Welcome to 5390 Franklin, also known as the WMRA Single Stream Processing Center. The single stream capability took Colorado by storm in June 2005. The system allows our customers to collect all their recycling into one container. We do the sorting and the shipping of over 5,000 tons of recyclables each month. We expect this figure to grow significantly over the next few months as single stream catches on.
Welcome to Recycle America Franklin Street. We are part of Waste Management. My name is Jose Herrera. I'm the operation manager for this plant. Franklin Street Recycling is the only plant in Colorado that offers a single stream service. Single stream allows all our customers to mix all their recyclable materials together, fibers and non-fibers, which includes newspaper, office paper, magazines, catalogs, phone books, aluminum cans, metal cans, plastic, glass, and also cardboard. The pre-sort belt is the area where our sorters concentrate on taking out all the large items that we consider contaminants and we cannot recycle on this facility. Once the material makes it through the pre-sort, it goes to the OCC screen, our cardboard screen. And what the machine does is separate the large pieces of cardboard from the rest of the materials. About 50% of our fiber will make the first newspaper screen. The same process takes place for the second screen. Whatever fiber is left in containers, they go through another transfer belt and then to what we call the CP screen, container paper separation. It's a different type of screen that allows us to do one final separation between the containers and the fiber. Whatever is left from that screen, it goes through another cycle to a smaller screen that we call it polishing screen or finishing screen. This screen allows us to do one final sort between fiber and containers. In our container line, the material is loaded into a feed conveyor, and then it makes it to incline and then to a pre-sort. Once the material is pre-sort, it makes it to a trommel. The trommel will allow us to separate all the broken glass, some of the small contaminants, and then at the end of the trommel, there is a magnet. The magnet will separate all the tin cans, placing them in a transfer belt, and then taking them to a silo for our tin cans. All the plastics and aluminum, they're pulled to a perforator, and then once they go through a perforator, they go to a hopper, and then the hopper will take them to a sort belt where our sorters separate the plastic number 1, the plastic number 2, and the plastic number 2 with color. At the end of that system, we have a machine called eddy current that separates all the aluminum cans from the rest of the contaminants. Once our newspaper and cardboard bales are ready, they usually weigh between 1,400 pounds to 1,700 pounds. They get loaded into rail cars or semi-trucks, going to different mills across the country and sometimes even overseas. The food product destruction is the operation that allows us to recycle and recover some recyclable materials from customers such as Coors, Pepsi, and Coca-Cola. We can recover the plastic bottles, the aluminum cans, the cardboard, and the glass, and also use the liquid for the fertilizer. Single stream recycling seems to be taking off pretty good in the Front Range of Colorado. We're hoping that with people participating on recycling, we can increase our volume and have the challenge to be processing more tons through this facility.
Over 60,000 homes in the city and county of Denver alone participate in the single stream recycling program. It's easier than ever. If we don't recycle it, it'll go directly into the landfill or litter our streets. We constantly need to be aware of what can be reused or recycled and the wise and not so wise choices we can make. If not recycled, here's how long some things will last in the landfill. They might even last longer considering how dry Colorado's soil is. Aluminum cans will last 80 to 100 years. Plastic six-pack holder rings, 450 years. Glass bottles, 1 million years. And styrofoam never goes away. Here's some things to think about. Cloth napkins, good choice. Paper napkins, not so wise. Reusable glass plates, great. Paper plates, oops. How about disposable diapers? They'll still be intact at the landfill until that baby is in college. Oof. You probably all know that this milk container is recyclable. All you have to do is check the number on the bottom in the triangle. Basically, if it's a 1 or a 2, we'll take it. And that goes for pop and juice containers as well. Because of technology advances in processing plants, our customers don't have to follow strict guidelines that we once had to pay attention to. We'll take all kinds of paper except for wax paper. We love those window envelopes that were once a no-no, and it's easier than ever to make good recycling choices, including cardboard. Believe it or not, children and women do most of the recycling in Colorado. We hope more kids catch on and teach the adults in their homes and schools. It's a great habit to get into. Think about where your trash goes, okay? A huge contributor to our recycling harvest are over 2,000 community collection bins throughout the metro area, where citizens just like you can deposit your recyclables. In the summer of 2005, we remarked them all to show that they each accept single-stream recycling. They're even marked with pictures and in Spanish.